Yo, so what is going on everyone? Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. Today is a POV photography video. I don't know why I said that so slowly. Today's a POV photography video and I've got the X-T4 23mm f2. So today's going to be different for two reasons. First and foremost, it's all going to be in black and white. The reason for that is because I am halfway through a black and white photography challenge. So I figured, you know what, let's do a black and white POV. And the second thing is normally I start in west and head east. However, today I'm going to start east and head west. So specifically, I'd say Shoreditch or Old Street, start around there. And then make my way down towards maybe South Kensington where I can get the tube home. And that's all that there is to it. I hope you enjoy it. Please leave your feedback down below. As ever, thank you so much for all your support. I do appreciate it. Have fun watching it. Grab some tea, grab some snacks. And yeah, speak to you in a bit. So, very quick update for you. I have basically been all the way around town and I'm now back on the embankment side of the river. About 11-12 miles walked in total. I am about 1,300 photos deep. I am using burst mode, so most of them are just multiples of the same image. I definitely got like 3 or 4 really good ones, I think. Well, we'll see in the video. You'll know that before I know that. Waffling. Again, if you have comments, questions, write them down below. And I am going to continue with today and enjoy the rest of the video.